Hello guys, today I've got the NOTHING Headphones A, and we're going to discuss if we have any application available on our Android phone, and if yes, how to download it. So actually, as you can see, yes, wait a moment. As you can see, yes, we have this application is called NothingX. And how to actually install this application? Open Play Store and tap search 2 times. Here you need to type NothingX. NothingX. Here, as you can see, we have this application from Nothing Technology Unlimited, and here we need to just tap install button. As you can see, I've got my application now paired, but paired installed. But let me show you how to install. Here, install, and now that's it. Goodbye.